Alright, so welcome to Pbteck. I'm Prince, and in this particular video I'm going to take you through the things that you need to know about DSTV installation. I mean, getting the DSTV signal on a cellular dish. Alright, so with a DSTV, maybe you have already assembled your satellite dish that comes along with a set of decoder. Okay, you can use a 50 centimeter, 60, and any other satellite dish ranging from 50 upwards to get a DSTV signal. But the DSTV, since it's a paid TV, it's a group of channels that have different frequencies. So that's why it comes with a 90 centimeter dish in order for you to get enough of the signal quality. If you don't get enough of the signal quality, most often you can't even proceed to scan. And most of the times too, even if after scanning, most of the channels won't be working. So that's why it comes with a bigger satellite dish for you to actually get enough of the signal. So if we're using a smaller dish to actually get a DSTV signal, make sure that you get enough of the signal, more than 60%, for you to get the channels working perfectly. So basically DSTV is on the east, northeast, 36 degrees. They are on this satellite. It rotates at 3A. That's their satellite. It rotates at 3A, 36 degrees. Okay, and you can use many TPs to actually track, but the main TP that you can actually use to track it very easily is the 122. It will be on your screen here. 12245 horizontal 27500. So you use this TP and make sure that you get enough of the signal, more than 60%. Depends on the signal tracker and then the monitor. Some of the trackers will show 60%, but in the mainstream maybe you are not getting 60%, maybe it's below 60%. So make sure that you get enough of the signal before you leave the satellite dish. All right, so since it's a paid TV, they make things easier for you when it comes to the scanning and other stuff. You just proceed with the installation wizard. I have a video about how to actually set up or go through the installation wizard. So you go through, you pick up things. You don't have to add any TP. You don't have to add a TP on the decoder to scan. The TP have already been installed on the decoder. So all you got to do is to add a TP on your tracker to get a signal, and then proceed with the settings, the right settings, and then you go ahead to scan. So after scanning, you pick up your decoder. We have some details about the decoder. That's the smart card number or the IUC number of the decoder that you need to provide with the details of the customer and then their location for DSTV office or the multi-choice to actually activate it for you. So if you want to get their number, you press on the menu on your remote. You go to the menu, look for help, go to general information, and then you come to contact central, and then you're gonna get your country number over there. That's the DSTV office. But make sure that you have enough of the airtime before calling them for the activation, because they wanna deduct as calling any normal number. Okay, all right, so that is it. After calling them, they're gonna do the activation for you and your channels will be working perfectly. So if you find this video helpful and you are new here, all you got to do is subscribe and hit the bell icon. You lose absolutely nothing by subscribing. All right, thanks for watching. Bless.